REF is the Research Excellence Framework, and it's an assessment of the quality and the social relevance of research that's carried out in British universities. In each of the units of assessment, which roughly speaking are the departments or disciplines that we submitted, we had world-leading research. And this translates into a societal impact through case studies which are written to demonstrate the way in which the research that's being carried out has a beneficial effect on economy, on society, on community, on the environment more widely. Yes, Durham's actually performed very, very well in the REF. Well over 80% of the research that we submitted has been graded as world leading or internationally excellent.
Our International Landslide Centre at Durham has been doing some fascinating research on landslides. Of course, these are a very dangerous phenomenon, and so the aim is to try and help people to recover from landslides, but also to try and predict where they might happen and try and guard against the possible negative effects. So, given that this is a worldwide environmental phenomenon, it's an area in which Durham is having impact and is benefiting people right across the world. Well, this is a fascinating piece of work done by our researchers on nanocoatings for mobile phones. What this actually means in practice is that if you use your mobile phone in the rain, or even if you were to drop it in a puddle, it would still work. That's perhaps something we take for granted, but if you think of the millions of mobile phones in the world and how often it rains, it's clear that this is a very important impact of the research that we're doing here. The Lindisfarne Gospels has been a wonderful project for Durham University because we've been engaging with the local community, with the cathedral, with the region. I think there have been thousands of visitors, and also it's estimated that this has been worth millions of pounds to the local economy. But not only has it had monetary benefits, but also it's just been fantastic for people to be able to see these beautiful illuminations. It's particularly interesting also that we've been doing some research on pigments. So we're understanding the chemistry of the original illuminations, as well as being able to appreciate their beauty as objects of art. I think it's very important that students should be helping to deliver benefit to society, that of course they are learning from some of the best researchers in the world, but they're also actually delivering benefits themselves, which I think is an extremely valuable contribution we at Durham can make.
The message I'd like to give to the staff is one of thanks, because a large number of people right across the university, in the academic departments, in professional services and the colleges, have made a tremendous effort in order to prepare and submit our REF entry, and I think they can be justly proud of the outcome which confirms Durham's position as a research-intensive leading university.